Got a shipyard over there, the channel of Sweetwater River. We've got the freeway and development to the east of us. To the south of us, we've got another shipyard. If you could get in a time machine and go back to this coast, 200 years ago, most of our bay shore is going to look like what we have out here. There's a water natural interface. This is an area where Sweetwater River would come into San Diego Bay, and historically we would have trout that were swimming up into the Palomar Mountain region and spawning. That's no longer possible because of several reservoirs, but essentially most of San Diego Bay, like Old Town, Seaport Village, Harbor Island, our airport, this all used to be estuary or bay shore like this. 90% of the coastal wetlands in California and the rest of North America are gone. So the few 10% we have remaining are really important for fish species, both commercial and non-commercial. This is a stopover for tens of thousands of migratory birds that go from Alaska and Canada to South America every year. If we took away the remaining wetlands we had, nature would pretty much implode on itself. We'd have a plethora of extinctions for both fish species and birds. So the remaining wetlands we have are really, really, really important biologically. And that's essentially why we're here, is we've created kind of a living platform, a hands-on place for people to come, see these animals, learn about them, and learn about the importance of this habitat. These animals are very special because they actually can be found here in San Diego Bay, particularly in the southern portion of our bay. They're found in Baja California, all throughout the Pacific coast of western United States, and they come into San Diego Bay because San Diego Bay is so shallow it's a lot warmer than the rest of the Pacific Ocean. So it's like a giant place to relax. All animals that you find here in our bay and off the coast of the Pacific Ocean. So one unique thing about our collection is you won't come here and find something from Africa, China, South America, with one exception. Every animal on site is native to our bay or our canyons and mountains and wetlands. It'll be found somewhere here in San Diego. So we're very proud of that. We have in here the beautiful leopard shark. We have two different color variations. That's kind of an oddball, that one right there. His patterns are more electric, whereas this is typically what you'll find from a leopard shark. They can get a little bit bigger than this, but not too much. And right now it's a neat time because leopard sharks are in town breeding off La Jolla shores. So you can go out there and swim with these guys right now. They're very docile, more interested in spawning or breeding. You can snorkel and wade with hundreds of leopard sharks. Right now with the new moon, if you come out here at night, all of this area is completely underwater. And it's like driving across the bridge to the Florida Keys. The only thing above water is that road out there. And these tidal creeks, these little serpentine river things, are home to a lot of fish, bigger fish, small fish. At high tide, the bigger fish come in here. And this is an important area where a lot of fish species will actually spawn, breed, lay eggs, and it gives them a more protected environment than out in the ocean or the bay. So first of all, these are endangered species that are here for a breeding program. So we go out with biologists and capture adult birds, put them here for breeding. They breed, then we take their offspring and we release them into different areas in the wild.